Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Internet Explorer from auto-refreshing web pages. So certain web pages might auto refresh or reload the page in order to update the contents. So perhaps it's a news website or something along those lines. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. So pretty straightforward process here, and we're going to start by opening up Internet Explorer if it's not already open. Please note Internet Explorer is not the same as Microsoft Edge. I know that should be pretty obvious to most people. However, I think some people believe that Microsoft Edge is just a cleaner version of Internet Explorer and it's the same thing, but it's not. So if it doesn't look like what you see on my screen right here, you're using the wrong browser basically, so not the right video for you. So if you're sure you're using Internet Explorer, you want to go select the tool icon near the top right corner of the browser, left click on that, and then select Internet Options. Left click on the Security tab, and now select Custom Level. You want to scroll down a little bit underneath Miscellaneous. So I don't believe it's all the way at the bottom here, so it's about halfway down this page. There should be something that says Allow Meta Refresh. You want to select the Disabled option, and then select OK. And it's going to ask you sure you want to change the settings for the zone. Select Yes. Select Apply and OK to save the change, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.